Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Esther. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to clean a microwave, a very easy and cheap way of cleaning your microwave. So this is how dirty my microwave is, and we only need two things to clean it, that is white vinegar and water. Vinegar is quite affordable. You can find it anywhere near you in the supermarkets. So for this, we are going to need a bowl. And first, you're going to start by mixing half a glass of vinegar and half a glass of water in a microwavable bowl. The next step, we are going to heat this mixture in the microwave for only 3 minutes to allow the steam to break up the food stuck in the microwave.
We've lost track of time, don't know how to feel, but I'm not sorry. I'm lost in your eyes, are you even real?
When the 3 minutes are over, remove the bowl from the microwave, and since it's super hot, make sure to use a cloth to remove it to avoid burning yourself. Next, we are going to use a microfiber cloth to clean our microwave, and since the steam doesn't help in cleaning the turntable, we are going to remove it so that we can wipe the rest of the microwave with the cloth. So we will clean the turntable afterwards in the sink under running water before we return it to the microwave. I'm going to continue cleaning the microwave while the food is still warm from the steam. Our microwave is now clean and it's smelling so fresh. Like I said before, it's a very quick and cost-effective method of cleaning your microwave. This is the before and this is the after.
This moment, so turn out the lights and let's make a deal to just enjoy it. I'm not thinking about forever. I won't care if we don't end up together.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe, and if you are a subscriber, thank you for always coming back, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.
'Cause fuck how we feel, yeah. But for now